case you haven't heard, there's a new queen in town. The Miss Africa Utah pageant took place this weekend, and Miss Somalia took home the crown.
Good for Utah's Brittany Johnson introduces us to Asma Dahir and the work she's doing to help bridge the divide between Utahns and the Somali youth.
Miss Africa Utah is much more than just a pageant. Asma Dahir says it allows her to be the voice for the Somali youth, sharing the narratives of those individuals who aren't spoken for.
I didn't join for the crown. I joined because I wanted to be a role model to all the Somali youth in Salt Lake City.
Due to the large Somali population in our state, Asma realized she had to step up and become the voice for young girls who hide behind their identity, not able to see their beauty.
For them to see me walk on stage and represent my culture so proudly while wearing the hijab made me so happy. Being a female and being a black individual and being a Muslim, all these identities are being targeted against and hated against, and it's easy to hide behind your identity.
Asma says this win isn't just about her, it's about shedding a new light on her country.
Oftentimes in the media, Somalia is portrayed as poor, is portrayed as having pirates and terrorism and all these things, but for me to go on stage and represent it proudly and combat these stereotypes and this ignorance allows Somalia to be happy.
The Miss Africa Utah pageant is part of the GK Folks Foundation, a nonprofit providing scholarships to help African students pursue their educational goals. Gloria Mensah, the foundation's founder, came here from Nigeria. She says when she arrived, she felt something was missing.
Africans were here, but there was no voice. They couldn't voice out their opinions or have a stage or a platform to be able to do that.
The foundation works with lawmakers to help bridge that gap between Utahns, refugees, and immigrants and help them assimilate into the culture.
And at the end of the day, they're empowered. They are able to overcome their fears. They are able to present on stage. They are able to speak confidently. You know, so we see that change.
For me to walk on the stage confidently and accomplish the biggest dream that I've had made me emotional, and I was crying and filled with joy.
That was Brittany Johnson reporting. Asma, who graduates high school in May, is already making strides in the medical field. She's pursuing a college degree in surgical technology with the dream of becoming a pediatric surgeon.